Happy New Year! Once again, welcome to the year 2026. Year 2026. How was your Christmas, New Year? Hope you had a nice time and enjoyed your holiday and everything. So now, we are in this and I'm going to be especially telling you some tips to help you throughout the year, like tips that is really wonderful that you need to go through the year. It's really needed, 100%. So make sure you sit back, relax, and enjoy. And wait. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And subscribe, okay? So let's get into it. Okay, the number one thing I have to say is that don't look at your past failures. Yes, or you were doing a business, it flopped, and I'm not going to give up on it. No, the moment you decide to stop, that is the moment you start failing. Yes, but whenever you fail, you stop your feet and keep pushing. Yes, but at times things might happen that you don't have control over, but you have to keep going. Yes, keep going. Don't let anything hold you back. Whenever you fall, stand on your feet and keep going. If you're doing something that it is not really working, or it is not working as you expected it to be, just keep pushing, keep doing it, and don't worry, go with you're going to succeed. The second thing I have to say is that tips: move with people that matters this year. Yes, check your friend zone, your friends that you have around you. Are they people that inspires you? Are they people that they don't even care if you are growing or whatever? They just want to grow and leave you behind. Have friends that will inspire you, friends that will make you grow, friends that are like they are bothered about how you are. They don't want you to just be in a position. Friends that when you need help to grow, they're always there. Do you understand? So make sure you associate yourself with friends that matter. It really help you this year. The third tip I have for you is start saving. Yes, start saving. Don't eat with your 5 fingers. Don't eat with your 5 fingers. You have to start saving. So even if you're earning at as low as 20,000 naira per month, you can save 2,000 naira every month. It is something. By the end of the year, you'll be having like 24,000, and you will need something that you need to get. You'll be able to get it. Don't eat with your 5 fingers. You don't have to spend all your money on just eating other things. You have to learn how to save. Yes, there's nothing about saving. You might not. You're like, this money is small. This money is small. But maybe to keep it in a safe, you can do a job. There are different ways you can save. Piggyvest, Compound Pay, various apps that you can save on. And if you are, they will not let you touch the money to the expected time. Yes, like to the end of the year, where you will really need money to do some things and other things. So start saving this year. Start saving this essential. It's really going to help you a lot. Things that will happen along the way that you don't even expect. But when you have something you can go back to really help you. And the next thing is that invest in your knowledge. See, technology is really advancing day by day, and you really need to invest in your knowledge. If you are a content creator, learn more about it. If you are a shoemaker, you make shoes, learn more about it. If you are a fashion designer, learn more about it. Invest in your knowledge. Don't just be okay with what you have. Things are changing every day. What was trending yesterday might not be what will be trending tomorrow. So invest in your knowledge. Don't forget yourself at the back. Yes, invest in knowledge. And there's one thing about knowledge. Knowledge is money. When the knowledge that you have, that if you don't have any money, within 2 minutes with that knowledge, you earn money. There are many people that sell their knowledge out. Yes, that sell their knowledge out for money, and it's really helping them. For me, that's basically what they do for a living. So invest in your knowledge. Don't just be stagnant. And the last thing I'm going to say is that in this year, get closer to God. Yes, get closer to God. Take your spiritual life more seriously. I really need to say it. If you don't go to church often before, try to go to church. And if you might be so busy, you can join online service. Yes, join online service. Get closer to your maker. It really help you throughout the year. And, just make sure you are closer to God. And you're going to enjoy it. Yes, you're going to enjoy being close to God. So if you actually learned one or two things from all what I just said, make sure you drop a comment. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Florigold, on TikTok, Florigold, on YouTube, also Florigold. Click the subscribe button. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.